do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review, and this unit is from AliExpress, and this is how the unit came, you all. This is how it came. Yeah. Came with the unit, you all. So if you're not satisfied, you can return. So that is all they're telling you guys, just and instruction how to take care of your unit. This unit has a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, an additional elastic band in the middle. So and then put this wig on so you all can see how it is looking. Baby hair right here. Does have a few baby hairs. So this is how it looks, you all. This is how the lace look, you all. Look at it. And put it in a ponytail. Let's put it in a ponytail and remove the lace. So I'll go in and remove the excess lace, you all. I'll go in with the Got2b gel.
Stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no
I'm just gonna go in and have a little baby hair.
You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Cause baby, our love is natural. was young, I was dumb, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong. Now I'm looking at you dead away, and I'm mad while you're moving on. You're the one now, gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was wrong. Guess it's been forever. No, we ain't seen together. Oh, I wish I had a cater to you. Cause now you won't speak, and you told me, let it be. You know I can't leave, cause baby I need you.
So this is how it looks, guys, when it is wet. Wet and you brush it out. Looks a bit. Look at this side. Look at this side. And look at this. Just look at this and look at this. Okay, I'll go ahead and just have some water to the side. Going in with a Mark and Sonic Curl Cream. Here you have this gorgeous unit from AliExpress, and I am in love with the texture when it is wet and also when it is dry. You can beat this unit from AliExpress. It is budget friendly, and guys, the color is just amazing. You don't even have to glue it down, guys. If you're interested in this unit, guys, the link will be in the description. You can go check it out. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.